Want AI to create stunning images exactly how you imagine them? It all starts with prompts. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write great prompts for AI image generators that you can use to get results that you actually want. So before we dive into the video, I'm Teresa and you are welcome to this channel. Here I share my knowledge about AI, everything AI, image generation, video generation. So basically anything you need to know about AI. So most people, they just type in few words when they want to generate either image or video, but in this video we are basically focusing on image generation. So most people type in just few words and they hope for magic. Now let me tell you, that is why you get blurry, weird, or completely off images. And of course, I'm here. I'll teach you how to fix that and get sharp, detailed results every time, just like what you'll be seeing on the screen, that I'll be attaching on the screen, and more that you will still see. So first of all, let's define a prompt. So a prompt is basically instructions you give to the AI. So the more clear and descriptive you are, the better your image will be. So think of it like giving directions to a designer. You wouldn't just say draw a house. You would say draw a modern two-story house with large windows and a red door and a garden in the front. So in this video, like I said, I'll be sharing with us some few key elements you need to include in your prompt to make your image sharp. So firstly is the subject. So what do you want in your image? Example, a futuristic city. The second one is the style. How should it look? Is it cyberpunk? Is it realistic? Is it cartoon? Is it oil painting? You just have to decide that. Then thirdly is the details, like add color, you add lightning, the mood, the textures. Example, neon light reflecting on wet streets at night. The next one is composition. How should things be arranged? Example, skyscrapers in the background, a small robot in the foreground. Then optional settings. Some AI tools let you control aspect ratio, resolution, or other advanced parameters. So now example, you can say a cyberpunk city at night, neon reflection on wet streets, futuristic vehicles flying, highly detailed cinematic lighting, 16:9 ratio. So you can also run that on your phone and see what you get. So now I'll also share with us some tips that can really help when you're writing prompt. So you have to be specific, not vague. Don't just say beautiful landscape. Describe what makes it beautiful and use adjective. They guide the AI on mood, lighting, and style, and experiment with different word orders. Sometimes swapping words changes the whole result. And don't overload your prompt. Too many details can confuse the AI. So people often make these mistakes using too few words. When you do that, you just get generic images. And when you use overly complicated sentences, it gives you confusing results. And also forgetting style or mood. When you do that, it just gives you bland output. And copying prompts blindly without tweaking, that won't fit your vision. So let's put this into practice. So I'll type a basic prompt, fantasy castle. You see the result. I will add the style now, the details and lightning. So I'll write it as a majestic fantasy castle on a cliff, sunset lightning, clouds in the sky, highly detailed, cinematic 4K. When you run that, it's much better, right? So the key is small tweaks, and of course it makes a huge difference. So remember, writing great AI prompts is about clarity, detail, and creativity. So experiment, adjust, and don't be afraid to be specific. If you find it helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your AI prompt questions in the comments. I will answer them. Also, if you want a free prompt checklist to level up your AI images, check in the description box for it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.